So guys, for the first method, you want to reinstall the language pack. So you want to head over to the link, which will be down below in the description. Now once you're here, you want to scroll down. You want to choose your language. I'm going to be doing English. Scroll down again. To know which one you need, you want to head over to search and type in system information. Click on it. And then once you're on this, next to system type is going to tell you, I'm on 64-bit, I'm going to be getting the 64-bit one. If you're not on 64-bit, you want to get 32-bit. So I'm going to be getting 64-bit. It's now going to start downloading. Before we open it up, make sure that you have Microsoft Word fully closed. So now we're going to open it up. And then click on yes. And you now want to install this. And then once you fully install that, you want to head over to search again and type in Word. Click on it. Now once you're on this on the left hand side, you want to click on options. And then you want to select language. It should know that you add English again. Once you add English, you want to move it to the top. I've got English right here and I want it to be my preferred language. I'm going to click on move up. It's now going to be my preferred language and then click on OK. And you then want to restart Office again and then the problem should be fixed. If that's still not working for the next method, you want to head over to search and type in add remove programs. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to scroll down till you find Microsoft Office. You want to click on the three dots and then click on modify and then click on yes. And then once you're on this, you want to select quick repair, click on repair, see if that works for you. If not, you want to select online repair, click on repair, see if that works for you.